Good morning, children. Today, in our value education class, we are going to learn a new lesson, a new story. Are you all ready? Yes. What is the story name? Baha Jatin. What is it? Baha Jatin. Okay. Who is Baha Jatin? Let us see. Baha Jatin was a freedom fighter. He fought for the freedom of India. So, children, Baha Jatin was a freedom fighter. What is freedom fighter, children? You know, many years ago, our India was under the control of British people. At that time, many leaders fought to get out of the control from the British. Okay, so he is called as those who fought for the freedom. Okay, they are called as freedom fighters. Okay, those who fought for the freedom of India are called as freedom fighters. Okay, children, today we are going to see a small story of Baha Jatin when he was a small boy. Can we see what happened? Yes. Once, when Jatin was a young boy, he was chased by ferocious dog. When Jatin was a small boy, he was chased by a dog. The dog was very angry and it was chasing him. Then what happened? The boy ran as fast as he could. He ran very fast. When dogs is chasing at you, what you will do? You will run, right? So when he ran, what happened? The dog also started running behind him and it did not stop. It was just chasing him. The boy ran as fast as he could, but the dogs did not stop. They continued chasing. There were 2 to 3 dogs, okay? Then what happened? His mother saw her son being thus chased. Her mother, what did she do? She was seeing from the window and she saw that the dog was chasing Baha Jatin. Okay? What did she tell? Jatin, don't run. Stop. What did she say? Don't run. Stop. Turn back and look at the dogs without fear. She told to look at the dog. Okay? She told to turn back and look at the dog without fear. If you have fear, the dog will not get frightened. Okay? So you should not run. Okay? So what did his mom told? To stop. Okay? Stop and turn back and see. Without fear, you see, she told. What happened? Jatin turned back and stared at the dogs like a tiger. What happened? Jatin turned back and stared at the dog. What happened? The Jatin turned back and he saw the dogs like a tiger. Okay. Suddenly the dogs turned and fled away. What happened? These dogs stopped and they turned back and ran away. Fear can be defeated only by facing it courageously. Okay, when you're having fear, when you are in a fear, you have to face it. Okay, for example, if you have a fear to talk in front of others, you should face it. When you talk in front of others, then only your fear will go. Fear can be defeated only by facing it courageously. Okay, children. So, what is the moral of the story? Don't fear, be courageous. What is courageous? Be strong and confident. Okay. So, what was the story, children? Bahajatun was a small boy and he was chased by a dog and he was running very fast. His mom saw he was chased by a dog and she told, "Stop and turn back and look at the dogs like a tiger." So he looked back at the dogs as a tiger and the dog suddenly stopped and it all turned and ran away. So be confident and be courageous. You should not fear for anything. Okay, children? What is the moral of the story? Don't fear, be courageous. Okay? I hope it was a small and a very superb story, right? I hope you all enjoyed. I will meet you in the next class with a new story. Okay, children? Okay, thank you. Sai Ram.